Super Typhoon Yagi, Asia's strongest storm this year, made landfall on the coast of China's Hainan province on Friday, bringing gusty winds and heavy rain that forced schools to close for a second day and canceled flights in the South China Sea. Typhoon Yagi made landfall in southern China on Friday, forcing more than 1 million people to evacuate, closing schools and businesses, disrupting transportation, and raising alarms about the risk of landslides and flooding. Yagi, one of the strongest storms of 2024, made landfall on the island province of Hainan at 4 p.m. local time, according to the China National Meteorological Center. The storm had maximum sustained winds of 144 miles per hour, equivalent to a Category 4 hurricane, according to the U.S. Navy's Joint Typhoon Warning Center. The center said the storm was the strongest to hit Hainan in a decade. Guangdong, Hainan, and Guangxi provinces have raised their emergency response to the highest level, warning residents of the risk of landslides and flooding. National task forces have been dispatched to Guangdong and Hainan to help prepare for the severe weather. State media reported that more than 410,000 people in Hainan and 670,000 in Guangdong had been evacuated due to the storm. Hainan authorities asked residents to stay home and ordered the closure of all non-essential businesses, markets, public transport, schools, and tourist attractions. Guangdong's transport department closed 6 highways and a major bridge linking Hong Kong, Macau, and Zhuhai. In Hainan, Haikou Meilan International Airport canceled all flights scheduled for Friday. The storm passed through Hong Kong, injuring 9 people and forcing the stock market to close on Friday. The Hong Kong Observatory warned of strong winds and urged people to stay away from the coast. Yagi, which killed at least 16 people in the Philippines earlier this week, became a super typhoon after an extremely rapid period of intensification in the South China Sea, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center said.
lieber zu. Tyle, z tą to urwało z cechu! No go, hajzu!
The center defines a super typhoon as a tropical storm with winds of 150 miles per hour or more in the western North Pacific.
No vabbè. Amo, vai di là, chiudi. 真係玩啊！你冇嘅，真係玩啊！都係咩料人料，小紙料。外面啥都看不到。
Yagi was the most severe storm to hit Hainan since 2014, when Typhoon Ramasun hit the island province as a Category 5 tropical storm. Ramasun killed 88 people in Hainan, Guangdong, Guangxi, and Yunnan, and caused more than 44 billion yuan, 6.25 billion, in economic losses.
Okay, now it's here, holy moly, and we outside.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest weather updates every day. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Have a nice day and be prepared for any weather conditions. See you in the next news.